To send money from Singapore to Malaysia, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account number. Next, choose a suitable money transfer method, such as bank transfer, online money transfer services, or money transfer agencies. Online services like PayPal, TransferWise, and World Remit are popular options, while banks and agencies like Western Union and MoneyGram also offer transfer services. Once you have chosen a method, gather the required documents, including your identification and the recipient's bank details. For online services, you will need to create an account and verify your identity. Then, initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. You will also need to pay for the transfer, either by bank transfer, credit card, or cash, depending on the service you choose. After initiating the transfer, the service provider will process the transaction and convert your Singapore dollars to Malaysian ringgit. The recipient will then receive the funds in their bank account, usually within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the service and transfer method. To get the best exchange rate and lowest fees, compare the rates and fees of different service providers before initiating the transfer. Additionally, ensure that the recipient's bank account is eligible to receive international transfers and that you have the correct account details to avoid any delays or errors. Finally, keep a record of the transaction, including the transfer reference number and the recipient's confirmation of receipt, in case you need to track the status of the transfer or resolve any issues that may arise. By following these steps and choosing a reliable transfer method, you can send money from Singapore to Malaysia quickly and securely.